Yeah.
Hey, what's up everybody? And today, welcome back to another video of Jake TSM. And today we will be making slime.
Woo!
So I got my grandpa, using the
Help me.
and my grandma, she's telling me the instructions. And today we're gonna make slime. Don't forget to subscribe this video, subscribe this channel, and leave a like. And comment down below, have you ever made slime before? So first we're gonna add some glue. Ay, no se sabe completo. So we're gonna use this to take it out. Pretty much. Yeah.
Wow.
Oopsie. Ew. So, almost done. And we took out all of it. There we go. So we're done with this.
Water.
Now we're gonna, and now we got some water and we got some baking. Ooh, I do. Baking soda. So we're just gonna add that right
Mix.
in.
Oh. Sobrang eh.
Pero tiene glue.
Okay, so put inside.
So we're gonna just wixel this inside. There we go. What do we do next? And we got some shaving cream. We're gonna add that too. Just it doesn't come out.
Saca la mano.
So we're just gonna
Saca la mano. Son varias veces.
use this, take it out. Take it out. That, take it out.
Some more with that.
And we're gonna put some more shaving cream.
La paleta adentro.
Just put this over here. We got put more shaving cream. And that's
little
enough. A little
Okay.
more?
Mix it. Put the color.
Okay, now we got the color. First we need to put the color, then the sprinkles. Because we're going to make it sprinkle. So we got some color here. Let's just add that right in. Right in. There we go. And now we're going to add some sprinkles. Now it's time to mix. Ooh. So we're pretty much just mixing here. Little sprinkles in there. Ooh. That's so nice.
Move.
Move. So we're pretty much just making slime. Only for this video. If you guys want me to make more slime videos, comment down below. Slime is awesome.
Mi abuela te ayuda. Mira, aquí está mi abuela ayudándome.
Okay. I got it. Okay, so we're pretty much almost done. Now I need to use my hands. Read the instructions. Do I need to use my hands? So I'm going to use my hands. This isn't really that much of a lot of slime, but it's time to use my hands. Esto.
No.
So the tide,
Here's the other recipe.
Oh, well, we don't need those. So I'm gonna just wiggy wiggy. Oh. There we go. So, we're gonna do this. Ooh, this shake. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yeah, we need more. Oh my god, oh my god. This is a lot though. I'm saying slime. I think we need a little bit more of glue because this isn't really, it's really sticky. Wait, no, not the glue because that's going to make it more
Hay
stickier.
un pote que le puedes
I
echar.
think we need, oh my god. We made this wrong, I think. I think we made it wrong.
Dice que mientras más lo muevas, más se va poniendo fluff.
Okay. Okay, I don't really see a lot of sprinkles. Oh my god. Oh. I'm gonna need my wash my hands for this.
No dejes caer para el
Oh
piso.
my god, oh my god, that's a lot of slime. Oh my god, oh my god.
Tienes que moverlo, papi.
Oh.
More and more. No, no, no.
We're just gonna do that. Oh my god, my hands are like so dirty. That's gross. So gross. Disgusting. I think we're making it a little bit too big. Unless you thought. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, this feels weird. This feels weird. I never made slime before, guys. So comment down below if you have and how many times have you. Oh my god. Oh my god.
La estás sobando. Tienes que mover, meter las manos.
Okay, okay. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
A ver, que lleva solución de contacto.
Whoa.
Falta algo.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Sigue moviéndola.
Ew. This is gonna be actually bigger than I thought. Yeah, I think we put a little bit too much glue. Maybe we should have bought two. Because it would have cost less money today.
Yo creo que ya esta.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh.
Move. Ay, sí, lo puedo hacer.
Oh my god, this is sticky. Not the type of slime I was thinking. I think we added way too much glue. Slime isn't supposed to be this sticky.
Móvelo. Ya, dile que sí. Ya, despídete de los nenes.
Despídete del video.
Ya. Ya está.
No, tienes que seguir la mañana. Vamos a estar aquí por la noche.
So guys, that's pretty much the end of this video. I'm still making it, but I'm gonna make another video that's gonna have the ending of this video. So I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.